Hello, everybody. Want to talk a little bit about a product we brought out a few weeks ago, the Spark Vision 1000 scope we use to read spark plugs. Comes in a case, the shockproof, waterproof, storage, and once it's assembled, this is how it looks. I just want to go through a few steps of what all it comes with. It comes with the instructional manual, which is very important. A claw for clean the screen, and a charging cord, Mini C. It does rely on a SD card for picture taking and video recording. That's sold separately. All right, let's go over a few small things with the Spark Vision 1000. First, obviously the easy one. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. At that point, you put your spark plug in there you want to read. Then here, this is the focus knob. This is where you can go in and get the focus you need to see clear down in the cavity, in the base. You have a menu tab here. You go in, check a few things, come back out after you get all the settings you would like. Also, if you're ready to take a picture or a video, you have to install your SIM card, and it goes like this. Now it does snap into place. It just doesn't push in and stop. You have to actually push it in and click it in where it's secure. Then once you get your spark plug where you want, you hit the OK button. You see a quick flash of a camera. Then you hit the power button to take the picture. Hit the power button again to return back to your normal screen. If you want to take another picture at a different angle, you do the same steps. Okay, if you want to take a video, you hit the OK button. You'll see it change over the video on the screen here. Then if you're ready to take the video, you hit the OK button again. You'll see your numbers counting up here. And you do what you like, where you can spin it around and get a 360 view of the spark plug. When you're done, you hit it again. It's done taking the video. Now the arrows are just when you go into the menu where you can go up and down and stuff like that. And to give you a better view where your SIM card goes. And it snaps out just like it snapped in. Lay that to the side. This is where your charging cord or data cord, if you want to run it on a different monitor, that's where it plugs in at right here. On this side, you have a light dimmer. You get the lighting that you need. And then you have a reset button. This is adjustable up and down, however it works for you, for your best viewing. Plus the knob for focus. It just depends on what you want to see in the spark plug. Deep in the cavity, the base ring, move it up so you can get a better picture of the tire, the electrode, and the base around the spark plug. So when you receive it, it's going to come in your case. You open your case up. You have your base. Pull that out. You have your shaft for the camera. Then your camera holder. This is the adjustment screw, the set screw to hold everything. Then you pull your camera out. And you're ready to rock and roll. Pretty simple device. And then when you're all done, pull it back out. Set everything back in its location in the case. You're ready to go. Comes with the extra sponge for the top, Lock and load. All right, so when you're ready to put it in your computer, it comes with an adapter for your computer, depending on how your computer is designed. Mine has a small, just for the micro SD. So you put that in your computer, lock it in like everything else. That's how it will look on the computer. Now, when you're ready to watch the video, close that out, go back, pick the recording. That's how it looks in the recording. Very clear. You can see everything you need to see. No need to cut it open or inspect it with the handheld scopes.